To add a block furniture from your existing files, just type in add center, and then it will show you a list of your current block items. So for example, let's select kitchens and then double click on blocks. Now you can choose any objects here that you'd want to put on your workspace. Let's say for example, I'm gonna select this top view of a refrigerator and then double click it, click OK, and then let's put it on our work drawing. If you want to add more, just select any of these items. Let's select showers, double click on blocks, and you can see there are several shower cubicles. Let's say you'd want to add this. So objects might have different scales, so you might need to scale them when you're going to put them on your workspace. So let's try to add this one. So let's close the add center, and there you go. So the scale for each objects may be different from one another. So you just have to scale them to your preferred measurement.